Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you all. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a 90-second microwave mug cake. For this I'm using 1 tablespoon measuring spoon, and you'll require 4 tablespoons of flour, or which is equal to 1/4 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and half of 1/4 teaspoon or 2 pinch of baking soda, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix all the dry ingredients. Now I am going to add the wet ingredient. First I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoon of oil, next I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cream, add 2 tablespoon of milk, but if your batter is too thick you can add half teaspoon more. Two to three drops of vinegar, for me this batter is a little thick, so I'm going to add half teaspoon of milk, and this is now what it looks like. This is the consistency that you'd want for it to be super moist. So the cake is ready. Now I'm going to show you from underneath how moist it is. Just let me take off some part from the top. See how moist it is from inside? I hope you guys like it.